Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to allow everyone to see your profile photo on WhatsApp. If you've been keeping your profile picture private and now want to make it visible to everyone, I've got you covered. Let's get into it. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once the app is open, you'll see 3 dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on those dots to open a menu of options. Next, tap on Settings from the list. This will take you to all your WhatsApp settings, where you can adjust your privacy, notifications, and more. Now, tap on Privacy. This section lets you control who can see your personal information on WhatsApp, including your profile picture, status, and last seen. In the privacy settings, look for the option that says Profile Photo and tap on it. Here, you'll find several options for controlling who can see your profile photo. To allow everyone to see your profile photo, simply select Everyone. This will make your photo visible not only to your contacts, but to anyone on WhatsApp, even if they're not in your contacts list. And that's it. You've successfully changed your settings to allow everyone to see your WhatsApp profile photo. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.